Alright, here I am on the home stretch. Going back home. It's 8:37 Saturday morning. Blizzard 2010, February the 6th. My goodness. I mean, the snow's up to the mailboxes, y'all. See that mailbox? Look at the mailbox. You know how high up that mailbox is? So far, they say we've got anywhere from 24 to 30 inches out there. And see a guy out there trying to make a little bit of money. All snowed in. That's the driveway, all snowed in. Woo! I don't even know what the heck I'm doing out here. That's because I'm JT Wells, y'all. Crazy man. Look at that mailbox. Look at the mailbox. Dang. Look at the snowbank. If I can turn this off for a minute. Can't get a good picture for too long. Well, but I guess you get the gist of it. This is Blizzard 2010. Good night. I gotta make it to the house.